reader centrifuge. It has a display, and then you just open the top. This plate comes out, and there is a notch here. You can see. You take it out and put these capillaries. I have put these 2 capillaries. Close it. Very easy system. Press it. You can go to menu, set the time, 4 minutes, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, and here you can speed. Now I am putting 10,500. Push it. Now press to start. This starts. Now the speed is coming up. 2 minutes I have put. 10,500 is my expected desired display. There is on-off switch here and power, and this is on-off, and this is the fuse. If no light is working, you can change the fuse. Provided 10,500. Working fine. And here use the capillaries.